welcome to my vlog. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. And it's me, your travel host Divya Wilson. In this vlog, I'm going to take you to Tiger Aero restaurant, which is the airplane themed restaurant just right behind me, situated in Bangalore. So, if you love aircrafts, airplanes, and food, continue watching this vlog.
Hello, everybody, put your hands like this. Bonjour, salut, adieu.
Okay, guys, I'm just waiting for my turn. My number is A87. Now 83 being called. They are calling 83. So many more. How many? Like four more guests to go. So I'm just waiting. So patiently and anxiously. Okay, guys. So here's the cockpit. I'll just go and sit on the first officer seat. Okay, I got my commander here. Hi. Guys, finally I'm seated. I just got my window seat. My favorite window seat I got. Feeling much better now. And the menu is here. Guys, actually I was asking for this ice cream dessert, but unfortunately it's not available. I'm a little disappointed, but I just ordered this one. Feeling so good just sitting on an airplane restaurant and just chilling. You have no idea how much I'm into airplane. Can just got from my like ring, just in the shape of an aircraft. As a cabin crew, I'm really happy right now. waitress they came and asked if I want to take food as parcel, and I said yes. So guess what? They are just preparing my food. I can just take away home. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. See you. So, guys, I'm just done with my dining experience, and I just came out. And under this aircraft, there's a sitting area. There are many chairs, so you can just sit here and enjoy. So, I'm just rating this restaurant out of 10 for three aspects. One is the ambience, second, the customer service, and three, the food. Okay, so when it comes to the ambience, I would definitely give 10 out of 10 because this is a unique experience. Like if you want to celebrate your loved one's birthday, anniversary, or some other celebrations, this is the best place for you. Also, those who have acrophobia, fear of height, they are scared of airplanes, right? They are scared to travel in airplane, right? They don't have to be in air. This aircraft is not just being airborne, right? It's just on the ground, so you can sit in an aircraft, you can just have the same dining experience. So that is which is why I'm just giving 10 out of 10, and I'm just straight away going to the third one, which is food. When it comes to food, I'll give 7 out of 10 because I like the food. It was delicious, and the smoothie and the pasta were delicious. But the problem was there was a smoothie on the menu which was in the shape of an aircraft. I really wanted to have that. When I asked for that, the waitress told me that that is not available right now. So it's like whatever in the menu that should be available, right? I thought I could take some pictures, and it's a unique kind of smoothie, an airplane kind of like shaped smoothie. I was really hoping to take some pictures, but I didn't get it. Because of that, I got disappointed a bit. But it's okay. That is the reason I'm just giving 7 out of 10. Otherwise, when it comes to the food, it's fine. Like it is tasty. And when it comes to the customer service, again, I'm giving 10 out of 10 because, you know what, like after having the food, the manager came to me. He was like, how is the food? And all I said, it's good, it's delicious. And he also asked me where I am from. Then I told him that I'm from Kerala. Then he started speaking Malayalam, which is my like regional language. I asked him like, "Are you Malayali?" Then he was like, "No, his father is from Kerala, and he's from just border of Kerala, so he can speak Malayalam well." It's a good thing, like seeing somebody who speak my regional language is it's a happy thing. And even the waitresses and the bearers, they were really nice. They just came up to me and asked how was the food and all, how was the experience. That's great. And they were just keeping a smiling face throughout the dining experience. And like one guy, one bearer, he saw a picture of like my phone background is a picture of Jesus Christ. So he saw that, and he asked me if I'm Christian. Then I said yes, I'm Christian. Then I asked him, he said he's Christian too. That is nice. Just, I don't know, I'm just not being too religious right here, but still, it's good to meet such people who like Jesus Christ. Anyway, so that was the experience, and behind me, like there are plays for kids to play zone is there. So if you are coming with kids, you don't have to worry about, they would be just playing in the kids zone. So that was the whole experience. I really liked it, and I hope I would come again with my friends or family members in my future because it's such a very good experience. I want them to experience the same. as I said, if you have any special occasions, you can come and, you know, have unforgettable, wonderful experience here. With that being said, I'm just winding up my vlog here and see you guys in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye. Take care, guys. Okay, guys, I got some fans here. Okay,
Please subscribe.
chill with you.
Chill with you.
Thank you so much.